Hey there, folks! Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of washing machines. We're about to get elbow deep in the world of washing machines, exploring every nut and bolt. These aren't just appliances. They're unsung heroes of our daily lives. Imagine life without them, the struggle of hand-washing clothes. No more tossing your clothes in and walking away. These machines have revolutionized our routines. We take them for granted, but these machines are engineering marvels, designed with precision and care. They're a symphony of moving parts, all working together seamlessly to get your clothes clean and fresh. Today, we're going behind the scenes to see how they're made, from start to finish. We'll start at the factory floor and follow the entire process, step by step. From raw materials to the finished product, we'll see every step involved in creating these essential machines. Get ready to get your hands dirty and learn how washing machines come to life, transforming raw materials into household essentials. First up, the washing machine's heart, the drum. This stainless steel workhorse takes a beating. It needs to be tough enough to handle years of spinning, soaking, and agitating. It all starts with large sheets of stainless steel. These are cut into precise shapes using high-powered lasers. Think of it like a giant cookie cutter, but for metal. Next, these shapes are pressed and molded into the familiar drum form. It takes incredible force to bend that metal, let me tell you. Finally, the edges are welded together, creating a watertight seal. With the drum ready, it's time to build the rest of the machine. This is where things get really interesting. Hundreds of parts come together in a carefully choreographed dance. Motors, pumps, valves, and control panels are all installed with precision. Wires are connected, hoses are attached, and screws are tightened. It's a symphony of buzzing tools and skilled hands. Each part has a specific job. The motor spins the drum. The pump brings in and drains the water. The valves control the water flow. And the control panel lets you choose your settings. Testing quality control. You wouldn't buy a car without taking it for a spin, would you? The same goes for washing machines. Before they leave the factory, each one goes through rigorous testing. These tests are like a final exam for washing machines. They're put through the ringer, literally. They're filled with water, spun at high speeds, and run through various cycles. Technicians check for leaks, listen for strange noises, and make sure everything is working perfectly. Only the machines that pass with flying colors get to go home with you. Ready to roll, packaging, and shipping. This is where the journey of our washing machines takes a crucial turn. The washing machine has passed its rigorous tests and is ready for its debut in the market. Quality control ensures that every unit meets the highest standards. But first, it needs to be dressed for the occasion. This preparation is essential to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. That's where packaging comes in. Our state-of-the-art equipment ensures each machine is securely packed. The machine is carefully placed in a sturdy cardboard box, designed to withstand the rigors of transportation. Foam padding is inserted to protect it from bumps and bruises during shipping. This padding acts as a cushion, absorbing shocks. Then, the box is sealed tight and labeled with all the important information, including handling instructions and destination details. Finally, the boxed-up washing machines are loaded onto trucks or trains. This step is crucial for ensuring timely delivery. They're off on their journey to warehouses and stores, ready to be purchased and put to work in homes around the world. The journey from factory to home is complete. From factory to home, your washing machine's journey. Have you ever wondered about the incredible journey your washing machine takes before it arrives at your home? So there you have it, folks. It's more than just a simple appliance. It's a marvel of modern engineering. The next time you toss a load of laundry into your washing machine, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. From raw materials to a fully functional machine, it's a fascinating process. It's a testament to human ingenuity and hard work. Each component is meticulously crafted and assembled by skilled workers. From the factory floor to your laundry room, a lot goes into making these everyday appliances. The precision and care involved ensure that each machine meets high standards of quality and reliability. But thanks to the dedication of countless workers, We can all enjoy the convenience of clean clothes with the push of a button. Their commitment to excellence is what makes it all possible. Thanks for joining me on this behind-the-scenes adventure. I hope you found it as enlightening as I did. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a load of laundry calling my name. Remember, every wash is a celebration of human effort and innovation. AZ Technology would like to send a deep thank you to everyone who has followed and supported the channel. Your support and love is the biggest motivation for me to try my best every day, bringing more quality and useful videos. Thank you very much for always accompanying us. Let's continue to explore interesting things about technology together.